What's up, Longhairs? El Moreno here and El Spencerino here. And today, I'm getting a trim. It's been a while since I've cut my hair, and obviously, you guys know, it's grown quite a bit. It's actually been since January 2020 when I got my last trim. And look how short my hair was then. But now, I'm past the shoulders, the split ends are evident, and we gotta clean it up. And who else is gonna do it than our in-house cosmetologist, El Spencerino. We got everything dialed in. He's gonna give me a cut, tell me how healthy my hair is, maybe give me some tips about what I need to do as I continue to keep growing, and we're gonna go from there. So, let's hit the booth. After you, El Spencerino. What's up, what's up? Is El Ruby here?
Oh, he's here.
Yo!
He's here, all right. What's up, boys?
So we're gonna be doing the trim today, and it's looking good. You know, we say no cuts a lot, don't cut your hair. When we say that, we mean don't shave your head or cut all your long hair completely off. But it's completely healthy to get the trim. It's actually gonna make your hair look better. It's gonna make it grow better. As it continues to grow, it's gonna be healthier. So it's okay to get a trim. We're not messing around here. This guy is a licensed cosmetologist. You don't believe me? All right, look, I get it. You know, you're a little nervous. You're about to get your hair trimmed. Hopefully you trust the stylist or barber that you're going to. But guys, you don't need to be scared about the trim. Just remember, it's making your hair better. All right, bro, let's go, let's go.
Yeah, I forgot a cape.
All right, so things I know that are pretty bad with my hair, I'm not even sure how bad the split ends or anything's gonna be. My sideburns are just looking pretty gnar. I've trimmed these myself, so let's get the pro to clean those up. And then the back of my neck has not been touched since that last trim, January of 2020. So we're going like full on everything here. Is this even gonna work?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, great. So what are you seeing here on your initial kind of feel and touch and look?
Up here, nice and glossy. It's obviously very healthy. But towards the bottom, as you know, happens with everybody, there is a little bit of damage. You can see and feel a little bit of dryness.
Not a ton of split ends?
No.
Must be that Longhairs hair serum. You know what's up. Since my hair was so short on that last trim, am I like at all kinds of different lengths going on? Is it like a layering effect happening, or?
It depends on how she cut it, honestly.
It was a guy.
Yeah, it is different lengths. And that, which begs the question, what do you want? Do you want it all one length, or do you want layers? What's the
What I'm really going for here is just a health trim. So, and I'm not a big layers guy. You know, my goal is to have it as long, you know, past the areola mark. So with that, I think I want it to be as even as possible.
Okay.
Now these guys who are nervous about their trim, or you know, concerned about going to a barber or a stylist, you know, what are some of the things they should be saying at this point?
I think it's important for anybody, whether you are just getting a trim or you're getting a full-on haircut, be very specific with your stylist. If you have a picture of a style that you're going for, even better. The specificity is key, because they can't read your mind.
We got a great blog post on this topic, and it actually gives you an arsenal of lines, tools to use as you're going to approach a trim. Okay, I will admit, guys, something I've been really terrible at is brushing. Just coming from the shaved head, growing it back out, and kind of having that chin length, and then, you know, now really at the shoulder, it's so clear and apparent how much you got to brush. And I talked about this in my last hair update, but I still haven't got that much better. I brush at least once a day. You're gonna get better results if you brush in the morning and then you brush right before bed. And that's what you should be going for. Just like your teeth. You know, we can all get better. So what happens though when you don't brush? You know, you're not moving the oils through the hair, right?
So your scalp produces a natural oil called sebum. And what it does is it adds shine and provides nutrients to your hair. And if you're not brushing, your hair's not getting those nutrients. So your hair is gonna be really dry, really gross. You're gonna basically, it's gonna look like you have steel wool. Brush it, spread the oil. It also detangles, removes any dirt or impurities from your hair.
Wow, he's very cautious with the combing. I like it.
If you're going super hard with a comb, like just going as fast as you can, if you hit a snag and it pulls on their hair,
yeah,
you won't see that client again.
Hey, what's your thoughts on like the wet brush?
I don't dislike it, but I think it really depends on your texture of hair. For someone like me, I've got very curly hair because then it'll cause it to separate and bush out. But for people that have straighter hair like yours,
yeah,
I think it's good.
Okay.
You do have beautiful hair, man.
Thanks, bro. Okay, guys, I just happened to pull up the blog post here on my phone. Confidently navigate your visit to the salon. So go ahead, check that one out. A lot of great info in there. El Garvinsky right there. Got the camera, got the big old mic on there.
Focus here. You can't miss any hair here.
No.
There goes 4 inches right there.
So, the first thing you want to do with a blunt cut like this, the whole key to cutting long hair is sectioning. And what I mean by that is, I'm gonna start with this area, take the comb, take a little section like that and separate it. And this is what I'm cutting right here. Do you wanna like kill your phone, dude?
I'm trying to get a reel going, dude.
ADD generation.
What
are you gonna do?
Make sure it's a nice clean line, and that's the area that you're gonna be cutting. And this is it. This is the crux of doing it. We're just sectioning it off and then trimming it. A little bit dry at the very ends, but really not too bad. See these dry ends? And how I can know that it's the same length, you can see that line where I cut before. So you find it? Bam. Yeah, buddy. Oh, it's almost 3. Holy smokes.
I got a helmet from Walmart. Sick. Sorry, talking to my wife. Guys, not the hair. I am profusely sweating right now.
He reeks. He reeks.
I don't know if I could hold this thing steady anymore.
Hey, El Gustavo, can you make your way over here? We're shooting a video. We need the inspector to be in the house.
Yeah, I'm kind of busy over here.
Double IPA, 6-pack. Come on over. We don't have any beer.
The hell is going on here? Garbage bag. I don't know about that one. Well, this hair is gonna pick that up. Me? Expect me to pick that shit up? It's hot in here. I don't know how it is.
Yeah, what happened? Can you turn the AC on, please?
These guys doing.
I had it on.
Man, this went from a tutorial to like a maintenance fest here.
Yeah, I want like solid nipples.
They're gonna be firming up.
People have a misconception that cutting hair is super difficult, but it's really just following the same steps, and it can be kind of monotonous.
All right, how we looking?
More than halfway done. Pretty much all we have to do is take this section and kind of frame your face and then shape up your sideburns.
Yeah, and the neck.
Yeah.
I'm sweating in this trash bag. All right, let's lose the trash bag.
Oh, my son.
Oh, thank God. Just wet or what?
Yeah,
sweat
bro.
drips.
Oh my gosh. And it's like quickly.
Good thing I put deodorant on.
His hair's already tied up here, but what I'm gonna do.
Now this is where it gets risky, boys, when the clippers come out.
No, not if you have a licensed professional.
Yeah, that's true.
We've got it clearly separated right here, but this looks terrible. So I'm gonna take my handy dandy clippers here, make sure the hair is all combed and straight, it's all the right length.
I feel like I'm on the Bob Ross show, haircut version.
We're just gonna put some happy little trees in here. So a lot of this stuff, the edging, these are just little techniques that you pick up along the way. Little details that make something simple look very nice and eloquent. A nice little arch there.
Hey, here's a tip. Just don't be a jerk to the person cutting your hair.
So be nice to your stylist and tip them well. Hint, hint.
Not tipping anything.
What'd you say?
All right, how we looking? Squared up, looking neat, proper? Anything else, or we got? Oh, you're getting the mustache. Sick.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to ask you to just like close your mouth for 5 seconds. First and foremost, comb it out so that your hair is all at the same length. You don't have any cliffhangers. Next, go for the top of the lip.
You're tickling me. There's like this little part of your mustache right here, right? You kind of want to keep that trimmed down.
Yes.
A little bit lower.
Yes.
If you don't, which I don't often, a lot of times, is the hair will go up in your nose and it will be the most annoying thing ever. But then when you have those long nose hairs like I do too, I have to like trim my nose hairs like at least once a week. They come down and they get into your mustache and then they're like There feels like something's crawling in your nose. It's the most annoying thing ever.
It's pretty terrible.
Trim your nose hair and the top of your mustache, all right?
I'm gonna go out on a limb here and recommend that you get your nose waxed.
Ooh.
I have done that before.
Isn't there a point though? Like, don't you want some nose hairs to, you know, it's like a filter? Or is that make believe?
No, it's true. But beauty is pain. So, yeah.
I guess it would depend what your job is though. Like if you work in construction or something around dust and stuff, you probably want some nose hairs.
Exactly. But you know, when I was in cosmetology school, we would have to practice waxing on each other. Dude, waxing your nose is it's something that I highly recommend it.
I meant to say, what else did you wax?
My eyebrows.
Yeah, it looks very great. I'm happy.
Cool.
Okay, if there's something you're not happy with, don't be shy to not bring it up to the barber or the stylist. It doesn't matter if it's your beard, your hair, whatever. Like, bring it up. They're not gonna be offended.
In fact, we expect you to. We expect you to tell us if there is something wrong. Because again, we can't read your mind. So be as specific as possible. If there's something you want to change, let them know.
Guys, that's it. El Moreno got a trim. It's been, man, a year and 6 months. And I got some healthier ends now. We're gonna keep growing. I'll have another hair update coming to officially talk about where I'm at, but I'm gonna let it go a little bit longer. I think get a little closer to like right here. That'll be where like the next hair update is. El Spencerino. El Spencerino. Thank you, sir. And that's it, boys. Hope you enjoyed this one. See you in the next one.